Have you been in an accident? With our new online estimator tool, we can do a contactless photo estimate on most damages. Here's how it works. Go to andersonoflincoln.com or your local Anderson Auto Group website, click the menu at the top left, click Body Shop, and select Online Repair Estimator. It will open a new tab and instruct you on what to do. Scan your vehicle's VIN number. The estimator tool will have you take photos of various angles of your car. Once we receive the photos, one of our estimators will reach out to you about scheduling a time for your repairs to be done. We can pick up your vehicle and drop it off once the repairs are finished, so you never have to step foot in the body shop.